Okay, so after the meeting, Faith felt that this is enough. I need to go back home, focus on my life, and just forget about Impiloga, Kulbuse, Nkosikazi and everything that is happening here because this is becoming too much and I'm getting overwhelmed. And after all, I'm human. I can take so much. And it's not like being so corner. So I just need to pack up everything that belongs to me and leave. This happens on the first episode, on the first scene as they open up. She is packing her bags. She's ready to leave. Now, somebody knocks at the door and she says, I do not want to talk to anybody. Now, that person opens the door and it's Kulubuse coming through. And then at least there was a light up on her face. The smile came through. And then she was shocked to see Untombi follows Kulubuse. And she was like, oh my God, it's like now I smell problems. She did not say it, but her face said it. And then Untombi says, listen, we're here because there's something that we want to talk to you about. Atila Lelan, ayikho into engifuna ukuyidiscussa, ayikho into efuna ukuyikhuluma. Ngiyacela ningekeleni bandla. It's enough talking for the day. Can we not do this? And this comes as a shock because now, remember, lo mntana lo kakhulubuse uthe I don't care ukuthi wena uhambile lapha wathini. The bottom line is that I don't like you. So wena hamba ubuyele kulo mgodi ophuma kuwona. Angikufuni ngiyakwenyanya. And remember, he had a conversation with his mother to say, singamsusu Faith. Yeah, ehena ngivumele nje mama mina ngimsusu Faith bese wena uyajabula. It means that it has gone so bad, so worse to a point yokuthi bathi lalela. The only way we can get rid of this woman because akasuku ubaba uyamthanda ukuthi simsule. Wipe her off. So umama wabo athi no, but I don't think that is how akusiyona indlela nganikhulisa ngayo le ukuthi ngihambe nisulana nabantu. That is not a good it's not even a good thought that one should have. Where are you getting this from? What is all this? So now when they come to her room, she did not want to talk. Like she wants to pack up and leave. That is the least that she wanted to do because you know when you've overstayed your welcome, you can see that everybody uyakwenyanya, like everybody uyisdina kuwo wonke umuntu, abantu babhoreka mabakubona. So now when they got in, Untombi uthi, you remember what Untombi said when she was meeting her for the first time? And the voice noise that she sent to Kulubuse saying she cannot wait to meet her. And then she met her. Wamthembisa izulu nomhlaba ukuthi sophathana kahle waze wamthembisa ngogogo wakhe. Masakafika la emakhaya athi mina anginagogo. You remember what she did? Now in my mind and my heart I'm like angimthembi. Angimthembi Untombi ukuthi she mean this from her heart. I think she's just saying it to win the heart of Kulubuse. Because in the meeting there, she was frowning that Faith is even uzingena kanjani lezindaba. Anywho, ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing House of Zwide. Ndima dekwana sanibonani abusheni melweni minjani hiphukile hingongwini. So namuhla ka ngonokwa hina wa House of Zwide hikuma ku ri swilo swi tshamisekangi kahle, looking at the fact that Umlife after he told the lady what he went through, he did not have the ability nor the capacity or maybe the zeal to wait and listen to what the girl has to say in return. Uvele watshela uNozipho ukuthi mina lalela, I've been through the most. Ngaba nengane le ngane lena ngathola ukuthi akusena yana yami ngihleli nomuntu for isikhathi eside. I never even thought or anticipate, it never crossed my mind ukuthi mhlawumbe lo muntu lo akathembakali kumina. Like that person did not even look or smell cheating. But here we are now, a whole human being bengimkhulisa thinking ukuthi lo muntu lo owami kati cha lutho. Bese ngago indaba zabo divorce okwanjani kwavutha amalangabi. So you would understand where I'm coming from. So he said that and then he left. So we don't know if Unozipho is buying the story or she's not or she's interested or whatever the case might be, but he did, at least he said his piece and then left. And then our Tata is asking, and then Grootman, how did it go? Divaile says mango ebi he watlalusa he the same thing ekele tlaluselitseng yona, and then ibi Tata mara nkabe mo file chance gore au arabe, and then net so o tla itse gore ke eng e iragalang ko monaganong wa gae, because now o tsamaile byanong and then ha o itse gore wa uyakufaka noma uyakhipha, we don't know. Waiba? So you wouldn't know. Hora hore by so saying uligwala nyana. Anywho, back to the dramatic I almost said polyandry. Isitembu. What is Isitembu Wanje? I forgot what it is. So Isitembu, this one, untombi says lalela ke sisi ngizela ngizokutshela ukuthi kahle kahle ngizovuma ukuthi ungamshada ukhulubuse andimthembi sana andimthembi uyaxokisela uyaxoka usisi andimthembi. Because the last time she said this, she came and abused Faith. So Andimuva when she's saying, I've changed my mind. Now I'm saying that you can actually marry my husband and then we can live happily ever after. This is derived from what I saw, the Weibo Ukulumela ingane yami emhlanganweni. I felt like you are a good person and I feel that you're gonna be a good fit for this family. So ngithi mina bengicela uvume ungahambi ungasishiyi, cela uvume ushade indoda yami soba ifamily enhle kabi. I don't believe it. And ndimkholelwa uyaxoka usisi Shem. And then now Khulubuse had a secret meeting with Faith, and then he was saying to Faith, please tell me the truth. Do you still want to marry me or not? And for some reason, he said, yeah, to a point where it's like, okay, I'll tell you the truth. Everything that has happened from the day I came here to now, it's not easy on me and I'm getting overwhelmed. I am overwhelmed as it is. And I don't think this is the right time for me to be making decisions. I'm ready. When you're ready, call the malumes and then we start umdeni. Mina ngeredi ukuthi ngababize omalume wami siyenze lento athi Faith ayikholula kangako athi uKhulubuse. It is actually, you just have to vuma because untombi naye ushilo ukuthi uyafuna siyenze lento. Kodwa mina guys angimthembi untombi, abanye ningamthemba mina angimthembi. Ungidumazile usisi unixoxisele last time wazophatha ingane yabantu kabi and ibe worse ke. Faith says, I understand a heart of a woman and I understand that this is not easy for you to accept me. And if you don't want me to marry your husband, I have no choice, but I will leave. She's willing to leave. And she did not devour. No. She was approached. You understand? Fair user guideline. She has all the copyrights because she did not even know when she realized Utukulubuse was married. She said no ngishiya phansi until untombi convinced her. So manje uFaith uyi-victim kuyo yonke lento. Please me again. For the first time, all this time she's always been the culprit, but this time she's a victim.